Hey guys, if you all want to learn how to make whipped DIY shea butter, then keep watching.
Subscribe.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this DIY whipped shea butter without a hand mixer. Now the thing is, at the point in time when I made this like some time ago in last year, and I didn't have a hand mixer, and I've seen so much tutorials about people doing it with hand mixers. Added to which, if you all are interested in finding out the importance of using whipped shea butter or shea butter on the whole in your hair, then this video is for you. So initially when I started my natural hair journey, I had no idea what whipped shea butter was. But I've been seeing all of these videos on whipped shea butter this, whipped shea butter that, whipped shea butter for hair growth, whipped shea butter for good skin. So I went on ahead and I bought my shea butter whipped already, and I tried it, but I didn't know what to do with it, so I just had it there. I didn't try it, sorry. I bought the whipped shea butter and I just had it there and I didn't know what to do with it. So I'm like, you know what? If I had that issue, then maybe other people don't know how to use whipped shea butter. So let me tell you what's the importance of using it. So I'm sure a lot of you have heard of the LOC method and the LCO method when you wash your hair, right? Basically what it is, because well, my hair is 4C, right, or type 4, and it is very porous, so my hair absorbs moisture like crazy. So when you wash your hair, you do all kinds of stuff to your hair, you put it in a braid style or whatever it is, in tutus, like the next day my hair is going to be dry. That's basically what high porosity hair is, right? So when you do the LOC method or the LCO method, it actually helps retain or seal in the moisture in your hair. So whereas my hair would normally go dry after wash day, maybe like the next day, it would actually stay about a week, give or take, for the longest. Sometimes it actually stays 5 days once I do the LOC or LCO method. So the shea butter is your sealant. It's the C in the LCO or LOC method. Is this, you're gonna have to do the LCO method, which is liquid. So that could be water, your rose water, your rosemary spritz. I have a video on that. You'll see the rosemary spritz video floating around there somewhere. The next thing you're gonna do is put your oil. I have this DIY oil that I made. If I haven't posted the video yet, you'll see it. Once I post it, it will be in the card right here. So I have this DIY oil. It's Curly Proverbs hair oil. It actually grows your hair and it's been working wonders in my hair. Just thought you guys should know. So then I would put the oil in my hair, I put it in my roots, and then I would put a little going down. After that, I put the sealant, which is my whipped shea butter. And what the shea butter does, it closes the cuticles or whatever they say it does. All I know is I utilize that whipped shea butter, and let me tell you, when I use that, now don't put too much oils, because the thing is, the shea butter has oil in it. So if you're using the Curly Proverbs DIY oil, focus more in your roots, make sure your roots are good, you massage it. Then you lock in the moisture with the C, which is my whipped DIY shea butter, or whatever it is you all use, but that's what I use my whipped DIY shea butter for. I hope this part of the video is helpful for people who don't know how to use it, and for those of you who are interested in watching the tutorial part, it's going to start right now. Alright, so some benefits of using shea butter in your hair is that it can be used as a massage oil for your scalp, and when massaged into your hair, shea butter helps relieve many scalp issues. This is what Google is saying. It helps relieve many scalp issues such as dandruff and cradle cap in infants. On oily scalp, it helps reduce excessive oil production by the skin glands. It can also moisturize dry scalp and reduce flakes due to dryness. Please excuse the rain in the background. So I'm going to be making whipped shea butter. Unfortunately, I don't have a hand mixer, So I'm going to be using my trusty old blender. So for this I'm going to be using some 100% African shea butter, right? It's Ashanti, yo. And I'm also going to be using some extra virgin olive oil, some grapeseed oil, some Jamaican black castor oil, and some coconut oil I got from my cousin all the way in St. Vincent. The extra thing I'm going to be adding is some lavender oil for smell, a few drops of that, and that's just it. So let's get the whipping. Before I forget, I'm also adding some cocoa butter blocks. I'm adding like 4 blocks of cocoa butter which I got at my local beauty supply store. So without further ado, let's get started. Coconut oil, grapeseed oil, Jamaican black castor oil, a few drops of lavender oil. Not too much, that was like too much. Now let's get the whipping. And there you go. That's it. That's my whipped shea butter mixture. Thick, creamy whipped shea butter. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button for more DIY videos on stuff for your hair. Also, like this video and leave a comment on how you guys make your shea butter. Have you ever done it in the blender before? Leave a comment, let me know. Trini Mom Beauty is out, guys. Bye.